Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Close non-responding tabs if you can, then disconnect any peripherals to avoid interference. Next, find the Chromebook power button and note any model-specific reset combination. This matters because different manufacturers use varied key presses. Once done, press and hold the power button for 10-15 seconds to force a shutdown. This cuts power to the processor and usually clears a frozen state. Make sure to wait a full 10 seconds before releasing to ensure the hardware resets properly. If holding power didn't help, use keyboard-based resets next. Press ESC plus refresh plus power simultaneously. This often forces a reboot or drops you into recovery on many Chromebooks. If that fails, perform a hard reset, either a recessed pinhole reset or a specific Alt plus Search plus R sequence, because it refreshes the embedded controller and power management. Once you trigger the hard reset, wait for the device to show the sign-in screen before logging in. Boot to recovery mode only when you cannot get past the hang after these steps. After rebooting successfully, sign in and immediately check for Chrome OS updates and disable suspicious extensions. Outdated software or an extension can cause freezes. If problems persist, backup data and perform a power wash to reset software to factory state, because that clears user-level corruption. If freezing continues even after power wash, it's likely hardware. Check battery swell, trackpad, or storage issues, and contact manufacturer support or a repair service. One key tip: recreate the exact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.